Of September 2025, Roblox is not officially available on PS4 or PS5 due to a policy dispute. However, if you have a legacy version installed, here's how to exit. On PS4, press the PS button, navigate to Close Application, and select it. On PS5, press the PS button to access the Control Center, then select Close Game. Exiting Roblox properly on PS4 or PS5 helps prevent resource issues like memory leaks or system slowdowns, which are common with legacy installs. PS4 legacy versions of Roblox may crash during exit, often requiring a complete console restart to resolve the issue and return to the home screen. Make sure your Roblox account is linked to PlayStation Network to enable cloud-based autosaving, which automatically backs up your progress without manual saves. If you encounter any issues during exit, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as Roblox relies on online services for proper closure and saving. For PS4 crashes specifically, a full console restart is often required to clear any residual processes and ensure the system returns to normal operation. Finally, understand the difference between pausing the game using the X button, which keeps it running in the background, and fully exiting the application to prevent potential save data issues.